Welcome! If he had won the contest, he would have been very happy. If they had studied more, they could have passed the exam.
As you can see, today we're going to focus on talking hypothetically about the past. Let's start. Your Language Studio presents YLS Tutorials with Jane Davis and Jack Brown, English coaches. Before we start, please remember to subscribe, like, and share. Let's begin.
Last month, Sophie and her friends went to the Swiss Alps. If they had gone to the beach, they wouldn't have been so cold. They could have swum in the ocean if they had traveled to the beach.
Yesterday, Anne missed her flight. If she had arrived early, she could have caught her flight. She wouldn't have missed her flight if she hadn't been late.
Last week, Charlie's car broke down. If he had checked his car, it wouldn't have broken down. He might have gone to work if his car had been fine. As you can see, when we talk hypothetically about the past, we refer to things that did not happen, but they were possible.
For example, if they had gone to the beach, they wouldn't have been so cold.
To talk hypothetically about the past, we use an if clause in the past perfect and a main clause with a past modal.
Example, if his car had been fine, he might have gone to work.
Now practice talking hypothetically about the past.
Thanks for watching. See you in our next tutorial.
Bye!